Welcome to next tutorial. I hope you will like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open Pixel app, click on import button, go to gallery, select a picture. Move its background. I click on erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Click on import button, go to gallery, select a picture. Move its background at erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Click on to back option. Go to import button. Select a picture from gallery. Remove its background. Click at erase color. Enable button on. Adjust these pictures. Back option. Click at text option by right angle. Please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.